Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, use your credentials to log in and you will be taken into the home page. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your avatar, then you can simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After tapping on your profile icon, you will be taken into your profile page. From the profile page, just tap on your avatar and now you will be able to change your avatar pose and background by tapping on pose and background. Then you can select various different backgrounds as well as poses from the background and poses section. After making your desired change, tap on the save button and this will save your avatar and the change within the pose and background that you set. In order to change your selfie, you can tap on the change selfie option and you can change the style of facial expression and various other features within your selfie for your avatar. After choosing your preferred selfie, tap on the done button and this will immediately be applied. You can also tap on change outfit and from this page, you can explore various different outfits from the outfit menu. From this page, you can also tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will be able to edit your character all the way from the facial features to the accessories, eye color and so on. You can make all your desired changes and tap on the save button at the top right corner and the changes that you make to your avatar will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your avatar on the Snapchat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.